Let's play. Can you help find all of the number blocks? You found a number block. You found a number block.
I am 1, 2. 2 blocks.
I am 4. Have we met before?
What number block will you make when you add these two number blocks together? Well done! You were right! Add the number blocks together.
4,
2,
4
2, 2
plus 4 equals
6.
Congratulations! You made a new number block. A slide. A basketball.
Time for rhymes and skips and tricks.
Which number block is this?
Me.
Do you know which number block you'll make when you add these two number blocks together? That's right! Now add the number blocks together.
6, 3. 6 plus 3 equals
9.
That's it! You made a new number block. Which number block is this?
one wonderful world.
Oh, false alarm. I am 9 and I feel fine.
I am 1.
Which number block do you think adding these together will equal? Well done! You were right! Add the number blocks together.
9.
1
9
plus 1 equals 10.
Congratulations!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Marvellous! You have unlocked a chicken. A chicken. A chicken. A basketball.